Doctor, I think my puppy has something stuck in his throat. He can't stop coughing.
If your dog is hacking away or constantly making noises that make it sound like he's choking on something, he may have a case of kennel cough. Dogs can catch kennel cough when they inhale bacteria or virus particles into their respiratory tract. Most puppies contract kennel cough when they are kept in kennels or shelters.
Doctor, can my puppy be cured?
Your veterinarian may prescribe cough medicines and antibiotics that target the Bordetella bacteria, which should help your dog recover. Kennel cough is contagious. If you think your dog might have the condition, you should keep him away from other animals and contact your veterinarian.